I'm sure they did everything that they can. I know they did everything that they can because of the LA City Fire Department. They're doing everything they can all the time. Underfunded, overfunded, they're always going to do the best job they can. Is he going to cross somebody else? Is there like somebody else coming through there? Is he joining the circle or did he already drop? All right, I don't know if Mark is live, and if he is, Mark, please forgive me, because I don't know how many times. Oh, he's coming over here. Oh, I see where he's going to drop. All right, I'm going to go back to it. If Mark has my audio up, I'm going to go back to it. I know where he's going to drop. I see it now. All right, he's coming towards us. Yeah, I can see the line. Okay. That's what I'm saying. Nice. Nice. That was freaking awesome. That was worth the price of admission. All that flying around, worth it. Worth it.